Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip, I've been thinking about the electromagnetic spectrum, the visible light being kind of in the middle there. Gamma rays being like 1/10,000th of a nanometer, gamma rays, then X-rays, then ultraviolet. Then we have our visible spectrum, which is, I think it's like 400 to 700 nanometers, something like that. Then, of course, we have infrared and radio waves. Radio waves going like 100 meter for AM radio, I guess. And so many of these energies are passing through us, right? From the more energy intense ones on the ultraviolet side, where we have the gamma rays and the X-rays, and then the longer frequency ones that we have on the radio wave side, right? The AM and FM and so forth, and the infrared even. Uh, and I've been thinking, these are running through the air, and I am not aware of them in any way that I sense. I'm just intellectually aware of them. And yet we can build things that tune to particular frequencies, and then we are able to receive that information. And so I've been thinking about practicing my form and considering that the shapes that I make allow me to tune into certain energies. And perhaps these are not energies on the electromagnetic spectrum, but perhaps that they're emotional energies, right? So, if this was one of the postures, that would probably help me tune into some woe is me energy. Whereas this posture, maybe something like white crane spreads its wings, might allow me readily to tune into a joyous greeting kind of an energy. So it's something to play with as you go through your form. Consider what the shapes that you make are inviting you to tune into, allowing you to turn into, reminding you to tune into. And make sure you tune into the classics. A lot of good stuff there.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.